Hello and welcome. This is going to be a short release, letting go process to help with enhancing health for the body, for the mind, for the emotions. And to begin, I want you to focus on or bring to mind something that you disapprove of in yourself or towards yourself. This could be a particular characteristic. This could be some kind of action that you took recently or far in the past. A feeling of I should have done this, I shouldn't have done that. Any feeling of disapproval towards yourself. And just choose one each time you do this practice. Just focus on one. And I want you to see if you can allow it to come up. See if you can welcome the feeling of disapproval. And notice how it feels inside to disapprove of yourself, to be frustrated at yourself, disappointed, guilt, whatever it may be. See if you can allow this feeling of disapproval. And notice where you feel it in the body the most. Is it in the belly, the solar plexus, the chest, the throat? And see also if you can just allow the mind to flicker its various images, its phrases, memories, whatever it may be. See if you can allow the mind just to run as you focus on this feeling of disapproval. Good, and even noticing a tendency to want to change it, to run away from it, to fix it. And as best as you can in this moment, could you just simply allow it to be here without trying to run away from it, without trying to fix it, without trying to change it? It's just a feeling inside the system. It's just an energy inside the system. Good. And now that we've allowed it, we can move on to the next stage. I want you to imagine a little window. And I want you to place that little window on the part of the body where you feel that strong feeling, that uncomfortable feeling of disapproval inside the body. So place that window on that part of your body. Open the window up, allowing space, and just see as best as you can if you can allow that feeling, that energy, to start to move up and out through the window. And a little bit more. And some more. And a little bit 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 more, as best as you can. And a little bit more. And noticing, does the energy or does the feeling want to move? You can even ask it with your mind. And if it does, simply give it the room, give it some space, and let it move. A little bit more. And a little bit more. Good. Now just checking in with the body, checking in with that original disapproval. So bring it to mind again. As best as you can you welcome any remaining feeling of disapproval towards yourself? Maybe the feeling's moved in the body. Maybe it's gotten less. Maybe it's gotten stronger. And if it has disappeared, then simply choose something else that you have disapproval towards in yourself, a different event or characteristic. But if there's still feeling, there's still resistance or tension towards that disapproval on the original thing you chose, then just stay with that a little bit longer. And see if you can make it stronger. Can you make the disapproval feeling stronger inside? Now, does this feeling help you in any way? Honestly, does disapproving of yourself, beating up on yourself, being angry at yourself, does it help you in any way? Does it make you a better person? Does it make you happier to be around? Does it help you think more clearly and make better decisions in your life? And if it doesn't, then is it possible and are you willing to let it go? Yes or no? Good. And then get your little window, place it on that part of the body, wherever it is now. Open it up. And just see if you can let that feeling go through the window. A little bit more. And a little bit more. And a little bit more. And a little bit more. See if you can give yourself permission to let this feeling go. A little bit more. And a little bit more. And some more. And a little bit more. And some more. And a little bit more. And a little bit more. Good. Now just checking in again. Is there any remaining feeling of disapproval towards yourself about this particular thing? And if there is, could you simply let that feeling go? Could you let it go through the window some more? And some more. And some more. And again, check. Does this disapproval feeling help you in any way? Does being angry at yourself help you? Does it make you happier to be around? Does it make your decisions clearer? And if not, are you willing in this moment just to simply let it go? Yes or no? And could you let it go some more? And could you let it go some more? And could you let it go some more? And could you let it go a little bit more? And could you let it go some more? Good. And now think of something else that you disapprove of in yourself. A characteristic or something you did or didn't do. And see if you can welcome that feeling. Let the mind bring it up, the memory, the story, and make it a little stronger. Make it a little stronger some more. And can you just let it be here for a moment? As best as you can. And again, checking. Does housing this feeling of disapproval, of anger towards yourself, is it helping you? Does it work to do this towards yourself? Does it make you happier? And would you like to let it go? If you could let it go, would you let it go? Would you be open to a different way of dealing with these feelings? Yes or no? Good. And again, get your window, place that window on wherever you feel it in your body. If it had a location, disapproval, frustration, whatever it may be, place the window on that area, open that window up, give it space, and as best as you can you just let that feeling move through the window and out through the system? A little bit more, and a little bit more, and a little bit more. And can you let it go a little bit more? Sometimes it feels like deflating a balloon. Just letting the energy, letting the feeling move through the system and run itself through a little bit more and a little bit more. And letting it go a little bit more and a little bit more. Now taking a moment and noticing, does it feel a little lighter, a little more spacious? And can you notice the aliveness that's here now? And can you simply allow yourself to rest in the space and the aliveness that's here now? Can you allow your body to rest here now? And is it possible to bring a little smile to the face? And allow this smile to feel like it radiates down throughout the whole body, as if you're gently smiling to your whole body. And noticing the aliveness and calmness that's here now.